How to get double dabs in the Bingo Blitz game. In this game, the double dab is a powerful power-up that marks 2 random squares on each of your active bingo cards, significantly increasing your chances of achieving a bingo. Unlike some power-ups that are limited to a single use per round, the double daub can be utilized multiple times within a single game, making it a valuable asset during the gameplay. Now, how to get it? Now, number 1 thing you can do is charge your power-up meter. During gameplay, each successful daub contributes to filling your power-up meter. Once filled, a random power-up such as the double daub becomes available for activation. Next is participate in events and promotions. Engaging in limited time events and promotions often provides opportunities to earn power-ups, including the double daubs. These events may feature specific challenges or reward tracks that grant power-ups upon completion. Next is purchase from the in-game store. The in-game store offers various power-ups packs for purchase using in-game currency or real money. These packs may contain double daubs among other power-ups. And the final thing is receive as gifts or team rewards. Being part of an active team can yield rewards including power-ups through team milestones and gift exchanges. Collaborating with teammates increases the likelihood of receiving valuable power-ups like double daubs. By effectively utilizing double daubs, you can enhance your gameplay experience and increase your chances of achieving bingos in the Bingo Blitz game. And that's it. This is how you can get the double daub in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.